200-week moving average and the geometric average have been close together and then diverge again, that's a bull market. Here too in 2017, same in 2013.
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. PlanB reveals bold Bitcoin prediction for May 2025.
And here you can see it even better. It's a close-up of that same chart. We talked about the possibility of the 200-week moving average and the geometrical moving average staying close together, and that would indicate steady growth and not so much a 4-year cycle. Maybe it would indicate the end of the 4-year cycle. But now with this increase, you can see it here. It has been close together, and it's diverging again. So I don't know for sure, but in my opinion, this is a bull market building. So the last phase of the bull market, the FOMO phase, is about to happen, and we might see a very nice 2025 after all. Realized prices. Realized cost prices, if we look at the overall realized price, that's the black line, including all the coins, including 1 million Satoshi coins that are basically counted at zero. That's at 45K right now, up from 44. The 2-year realized price, more of a medium-term indicator. I find it very useful. It's up from 75 to 77,000, and the 5-month realized price, the short-term buyers, is 92 right now. It's up from 91 last month. And Bitcoin, the red dot, is above them all. So all the realized prices are going up again, up, 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 and the Bitcoin price is above all the realized prices. Well, that's how we want to see it. That's also a sign of a bull market. So everybody's in profit. There's not much pain in the market. We'll see what that brings. Now, if we combine them all, and I like this chart, it can be confusing, but it gives very nice situational awareness. If we go from low to high, we see this moving average again, 200-week moving average at 47. This can be seen as a bottom, a floor in bear market.
Price charts, stock-to-flow model, and market trends. Let's dive in and explore. Solana, SOL, is grabbing serious attention as it hovers near $177, its highest price since early March, with momentum suggesting a potential test of the $190 to $200 range by May 13. This surge is driven by a mix of whale activity, rising excitement around spot ETF, and explosive growth in the Solana meme coin space. All eyes are now on whether SOL can push past key resistance levels and continue its rally. Whales have been making big moves. FTX and Alameda unstaked over $32 million worth of SOL, while another dormant whale unlocked $17.7 million. But these massive holders are far from exiting. Combined, they still hold nearly $1.5 billion in SOL, signaling strong long-term belief in the network's future. These moves often hint at upcoming volatility, but the fact they're holding tight shows confidence rather than panic. Fueling the fire is the meme coin boom across Solana's ecosystem. Coins like Bonk, Dogwifat, and Popcat have supercharged market interest, more than doubling meme coin valuations in just a month. At the same time, ETF optimism is building, with major firms like VanEck and Grayscale seeking SEC approval. If greenlit, inflows could skyrocket, with JP Morgan projecting over $6 billion in the first year alone. With bullish indicators lining up, Solana's path to $200 looks increasingly possible.
Because every time there was a bear market in 2015, in 2018, it bounced off that 200-week moving average. And the 2022 bear market was a bit extreme, so it dipped a little bit under below the 200-week moving average. But still, it's a very good indication of what the next bear market bottom could be. Now, the next one, the 2-year realized price at 77K can be seen as a bull market floor. So when Bitcoin drops below that gray line, then the bull market ends. And here too, when it drops below that gray line, the bull market ends. And here too in 2014. So we're now above that gray line, and so the bull market continues, in my opinion. Now, Bitcoin here at 94K, end of April, and the color is green. Color is the relative strength index. That's the chart we talked about earlier. It's the color here. I use color for different variables, right? It can be months until the next halving. It can be the cycles, like we saw in the other chart, the market cycle chart. And now it's RSI. So RSI is 66, but I expect at least 4 months of high 80 plus RSIs, like all the past bull markets. And it can be 5 or 8 or 6 of those months, but let's say conservatively it's 4 80 plus RSI months. That will be that will bring us to Bitcoin to $400,000. Now, then that's not far away from the stock to flow 500,000 average, which can be seen as a target based on fundamentals, scarcity fundamentals. All right, as always, all models are wrong, some are useful. This is certainly not financial advice, and please do your own research. See you next time.
Ethereum just pulled off a major move, flipping global giants Coca-Cola and Alibaba in market value after a stunning 42% price jump in just 5 days. This explosive surge came right after Ethereum launched its long-awaited Petra upgrade on May 7, a move that has dramatically improved the network's scalability and validator systems. As a result, Ethereum's market cap skyrocketed past $308 billion, pushing it into the top 40 assets worldwide, just ahead of Coca-Cola and Alibaba, both hovering around the $303 billion mark. The Petra upgrade didn't happen overnight. Initially scheduled for March 2025, it faced delays due to bugs and attacks during testnet phases. Developers built a brand new testnet, Hootie, to work out the kinks. Finally, after months of testing and refinement, Petra went live, enabling a wave of improvements. ETHOAs can now function like smart contracts. Validators can stake more Ethereum, up to 2,048. And Layer 2 scaling got a serious boost through increased data blob capacity. Ethereum's price rocketed from $1,786 on May 7 to $2,550 on May 12, riding a wave of investor excitement. But not all that glitters is risk-free. Security experts warn that new transaction types could expose users to off-chain attacks, where funds might be drained without on-chain signatures. Ethereum's rise is thrilling, but caution still matters. If you've been with us so far, a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for free to Bitcoin Zella for your daily news. The link is waiting below. That's all for today's crypto news. Stick around for more updates, insights, and analysis on cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.